What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do a Starbucks cup tutorial, and I'm gonna show you exactly step by step how to get it done. If you're new here, my name's Allison, and here on Allison Crafts, I'm dedicated to giving you easy to follow tutorials so you can feel confident in making whatever crafts that you want. And for this particular cup, I'm going to be using CrystaLac Brite Tone to seal over the glitter and the vinyl to get a super smooth and durable finish and super shiny. If you're new to the CrystaLac world, head over to this video series right here where you can hear more about it, what it is, what it does, what's the point. If you want more information, you can use it on single wall plastic cups, so it's super safe to use and it won't damage the integrity of the plastic. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is sand your cup. You need 400 grit sandpaper, and you're going to lightly go around most of the cup, just lightly, so you're still scuffing it up, but not hard enough where you're going to damage any of the printing or the logo. So just go a light pass all the way around, and then you can put a little bit more pressure and make sure you're getting a good scuff down around the bottom and around the top. When you're done sanding, you're going to wash with soap and water and let dry completely. Once it's fully dry, you are going to cut and add your decal. I got my decal on somebody's website. I will link it below, and I'm using a holographic vinyl that you can get on Amazon, but just you want to lay this first before you add your glitter. So I always add my glitter with a thin layer of Brite Tone. I apologize for my fumbling around here, but it doesn't matter. CrystaLac is very, very forgiving. So you're going to add about 2 milliliters of Brite Tone around the entire surface of your cup. Get close to the top lip, but try not to touch it because it's best if you don't put anything like around the top. Just keep it under where the lip is, and make sure that you get the bottom. So I had to switch arms because I don't know what I was thinking when I started this. So all I'm going to do is do a quick pass around my cup to make sure that I didn't, take off any of the Brite Tone while I made the switch. But I wanted to show how forgiving CrystaLac is and how easy it is to sort of keep going if you do something wrong. So once you get your Brite Tone on, you can add your glitter. I'm using this dot glitter. They're called graffiti dots, and they're from Sass & Crafts. So you can add chunky glitter, you can add fine glitter, you can literally do whatever makes you happy. But I'm using a makeup brush that, this one I got from the dollar store, but I also get them on Amazon, and I will link them below, that it helps sort of gently apply the glitter, and which helps it lay super flat, which is extremely important when you're using CrystaLac. You can check out my other video on applying chunky glitter, but just add as much as you want or as little as you want, and then run your finger around the bottom edge so there's none like sticking out. That's going to be annoying later on, so just run your finger around it and let it dry for 4 hours. After 4 hours, you need to wait a minimum of 4 hours. You're just going to start doing your layers of Brite Tone. About 1.5 to 2.5, probably about 2 for these little Starbucks cups, and just get it all the way covered, about 2 sheets of paper thick, very, very thin, making sure you get the bottom and letting it dry for 4 hours after every layer, and just keep going until it is fully smooth. So after about 4 or 5 layers, you can go ahead and give it a light sand, very light, and then you can wash it. And then you're going to keep adding layers until it's fully smooth. There's no hard and fast rule as to how many layers you're going to need. This vinyl is really thick, so it takes a little bit more. But if you're just doing glitter, you're just doing vinyl or a water slide or something like that, it may be less. So just keep coating until it's smooth. Just make sure that you wait 4 hours in between every layer. And eventually you'll get to that finish that you want. And whenever you're satisfied, you can be done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and comment below if you have any questions.